culture always flows top down. That is why the ancients said, Yatha Raja, Tatha Praja, which means as the king, so the citizens, or as the leader, so the team.
Pranams Krishnaji. Everyone is working from homes now. Productivity and quality of work is going down these days. The head of the company has to work much more to the point of exhaustion in order to maintain quality of work. What would you suggest in this case, Krishnaji? Please guide us. Thank you.
We are entering a new world and meaning to enter it with a new consciousness. Only from a new state of consciousness can we solve the problems of this new emerging world, not from an old separation driven and self centered consciousness. Let me give you a touching example. A mother of a 5-year-old child shared her experience a couple of days after she saw Preetaji's Earth Day message. Her son has the chronic problem of bedwetting, which she had not been able to solve. The kid is just reluctant to go to the restroom, but sleep the moment he hits the bed. On this Earth Day, this mother sat with her little son and told him, I do not mind washing the sheets and washing your clothes any number of times. But I want you to think about it. Each time I wash your clothes, I use so much detergent and soap and electricity to run the machine. All this is hurting Mother Earth, her rivers, the trees, and other animals. If only you would use the restroom anytime you feel the urge, you will be helping Mummy and Mother Earth. The lady says that her son, ever since that day, has been using the restroom without any fuss. Even a 5-year-old child changes his habits when he sees the larger picture. What about your employees? Trust me, your employees will go all the way to support you if they saw that your organization is not all about profit, but has embraced a purpose that includes their well-being, the environment's well-being, and the earth's well-being too. Firstly, as a leader, work on your consciousness. Begin to connect and truly feel for something bigger than you. As your heart expands and your team members see that you, their leader, is not a self-centered human being, and that your business itself has a higher purpose, your team will come around. They will work both online and offline. They will take the work pressure you may be laying on them with respect and not with resentment. Remember, culture always flows top down. That is why the ancients said, Yatha Raja, Tatha Praja, which means as the king, so the citizens, or as the leader, so the team. If you emerge into a connected human being, and if you can go through a spiritual journey together with your team, with diligence, you will see a strange happening unfold. Your brain will begin to connect as one. Inspiration and ideas will begin to flow from one to the other, as if you had one collective brain, one connected brain. That is why we have created the Mystic Secrets, an online course, a powerful spiritual journey for teams to take. On this course, Preetaji will lead you on a mystic journey that will unify you as one connected brain and one connected team towards achieving great success.